Morning, folks. This is Chris Hogge from the Natural Resources Conservation Service, located here in Stearns County, with your weekly conservation report for Saturday, July 20th. It has been a busy week around the office with staff assisting producers in finalizing the documentation for the 2024 EQIP NCSP sign-up. Which reminds me that the 2025 EQIP sign-up has been moved up this year and the deadline is September 6th. So if you're interested in EQIP 2025, please submit your application by calling the field office and setting up an appointment to talk with somebody. You can do that by calling 320-251-7800. I'm sure there'll be more in the future on the EQIP 2025 sign up. So let's get to some important things that we need to have a little bit of conversation about. One of those things is the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District is currently accepting applications for a full-time conservation planner. The conservation planner is a professional position and requires a diverse background in resource planning, problem evaluation, and conservation practice application. The minimum qualifications for a candidate is they must have a bachelor's degree with a major study in soil science or related field of biological, physical, or earth science, or an equivalent work experience. Coursework in soil hydrology and agronomic subjects are desirable, but applicable experience in soil and water resource management may substitute for minimum educational requirements. Certified crop advisor certification is preferred, and you must be able to pass a USDA security background check. And finally, reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. A regular full-time job with medical benefits. The deadline for the position is 5 p.m. July 24th, 2024, with interviews planned for August 5th. If you're interested in more information, please feel free to call the field office at 320-251-7800 to request further information. As I was preparing for the dirt tape this week, I realized that we're almost to the end of July. I would like to challenge folks for the remainder of the summer to look for tours and field days and soil health days to learn about practices and how they might be able to benefit your farming operation. One of those opportunities is a shoreline restoration tour, which is going to be held on July 23rd. The Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District will be hosting a shoreline bus tour around Lake Cronus and Rice Lake on Tuesday, July 23rd from 3 until 8 p.m. The tour cost is $10 to attend. Space is limited, so RSVP by Thursday, July 18th. I know it's a little late, but we still have some room on the bus, so feel free to contact the office again. It's 320-251-7800. Participants will learn about the benefits of natural buffers and native plantings for stabilizing shorelands and preventing soil loss, how rain gardens and native vegetation filter runoff, keeping pollutants out of our lakes, and how to create healthy habitats that provide food and shelter for a variety of animals. The tour will kick off at Veterans Park in Paynesville with registration at 3 p.m., followed by a short presentation on the importance of shoreline restoration. Then the coach bus will take participants around Rice Lake and then Cronus for a scenic ride to see firsthand how private residents have implemented solutions to improve water quality and beautify their shorelines. Another event right around the corner is the Rosholt Research Farm Field Day. Going to be happening on Thursday, August 15th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Some of the topics going to be covered is conservation economics on Minnesota farms, finding the right combination of productivity and environmental protection with N rates and cover crops for irrigated corn and soybeans, and also optimizing irrigation and nitrogen management, key insights for central Minnesota. This should be a really great lineup of speakers that are committed to participating in the event from the University of Minnesota, University of Minnesota Extension, Minnesota Department of Ag, Ag-Centric, and the Pope's Soil and Water. If you're interested in attending, please call the office at 320-251-7800 extension 3, or you can call the Pope Soil and Water Conservation District directly at 320-634-5327. Again, thank you for spending some time with me on a Saturday morning, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Looks as though it's going to be a good one.